My name is Adriana Lucía Angulo Gómez. English B1, Task 4, Oral Production, Voices in Motion. Vocabulary, Below High School Uniforms Clothing. In high school, I like to study in the mornings. I wore a uniform with a long dark blue skirt, blue sweatshirt, a blouse which I was a yellow. I behaved decently, and at the same level of school, I like to do my homework, and I played sport in physical education. I was the tallest girl in the class. After leaving school on the way, I would buy ice cream and then get picked up and cab to take me home. When I was home, I would eat lunch, change, wear comfortable clothes, do my homework, and then take a nap. Article colloquial vocabulary care learning public transport. 6 sentences about colloquial action. 1. I we do more care of our natural resources. We could have a more clear planet to avoiding serious environmental problems. 2. To achieve learning air we should stop using cars exclusively and prioritize public transportation. 3. If well after take care of water, it would be possible to maintain healthy ecosystems for future generations. Article colloquial vocabulary. 4. For a clean future, it is necessary to promote the use of public transportation and take care of green areas in cities. If the community could agree to take care of common spaces, they would be significantly cleaner, reducing visual pollution. 6. There would be less pollution if we started to use public transportation on a regular basis, helping to take care of quality and clean environment. Bye.